Winter can put extra strain on your heart, so this is the perfect season to get ahead of your heart health. Let's find out how. Meet the Omron Complete 2-in-1 blood pressure monitor with EKG. This gives you a clearer picture combining a clinically accurate blood pressure monitor and a single lead EKG into one package. It helps you catch potential issues early, including irregular heartbeats and signs associated with AFib. And with the Omron Connect app, you're going to be able to watch your EKG recording in real time, then track and share your results from anywhere. So let's go see how that works. Sit with your feet flat, legs uncrossed, and back supported. Slide your arm into the cuff and secure it snugly. Make sure that it's at heart level. Open the Omron Connect app, tap blood pressure plus EKG, and place your phone horizontally in the monitor's cradle. Press start, then place your fingers on the electrodes, 2 fingers on the sides, thumbs on top, maintaining light and even pressure. Your blood pressure and EKG record at the same time for a complete view of your heart's rhythm and your blood pressure reading in one simple step. With Omron, it's never been easier to stay on top of your heart health. Visit omronhealthcare.com to learn more.